Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh a web page once it's been loaded using Selenium, Python, and your Chrome WebDriver. So I'm going to assume that we've already opened our web page, right? And we do this by importing these two modules, setting the location of our WebDriver here, the physical location on our computer, instantiating the WebDriver, running driver.get, which is going to open the website in question that we'll be performing automation tests against, and we're going to refer back to our driver and do driver.refresh, and that will reload the web page. I added a 5-second sleep here just to illustrate visually the let's make it 7 seconds because this is a bit bigger web page. Just to illustrate visually the refresh. So I'm going to run this script and we'll see if it works. Okay. All right. The web page has been loaded, so we're going to wait about 5 more seconds. 3, and there you just saw it's refreshed itself by running the driver.refresh. And then of course, print. Please like and subscribe. So please like and subscribe if you got anything out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Consider a sub. It's really going to help me. I think I have like 10 subscribers right now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.